In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called iOS Launcher 16. When it's ready, open it and hit Get Started right away. Now you need to select I agree to terms and conditions. Select Continue twice, and then select Allow or While using in all available pop-ups. Then decide if you wish to switch your wallpaper to iPhone 1 or just stick with your current one. Then tap on Finish, close an ad, and click on Set as Default at the top. Lastly, apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can go back to the same app, click Consent, select Set as Default at the top and tap on OnePlus Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!